Hi guys and welcome back to GSM-ABC. Today I'm going to show you how to add names on your Facebook account. First thing you need to do is go to Facebook, access menu by tapping on these three lines, and then tap on this gear to access settings. After that you need to access Meta Account Center, and you do that by clicking here. After that, click on Profiles and then select your profile. Again, select Name, and you have the options to manage other names. Now here you can select your name type by clicking here to be nickname, maiden name, alternative spelling, married name, and many others. Now to set your nickname, just click here and type your nickname. Next, all you have to do is click on Save. Thank you guys for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.